Let's talk about the importance of maintaining your heating and air conditioning equipment. If your system is not properly maintained, you run the risk of your system prematurely failing. Common problems are 1. Efficiency declining, 2. Poor performance causing your power bills to increase, and system not properly cooling or heating your home. Unfortunately, it's very easy to void your manufacturer's warranty. To keep your manufacturer's warranty valid, your cooling and heating system needs to be professionally maintained annually. And if the manufacturer's warranty is ever voided, you have to pay for labor and parts whenever you need a repair, increasing the cost significantly. Fortunately, here at Air Pro Master, we have an offer, something even better than maintenance. Our maintenance plan has a multi-point tune-up which extends equipment life and maximizes energy efficiency. 1. We check operating pressures. 2. We check the run capacitors and startup components. 3. We check voltage and amperage to all motors and the compressor, just to name a few. If you're interested in extending the longevity of your equipment, please fill out our simple form or call us now to schedule an appointment with one of our certified technicians. Thank you.